Hey, what's up? I'm going to show a demo of ShapeBlock. ShapeBlock is a tool which converts your Kubernetes cluster instantly into a PaaS. I'll show you how that works. Once you log into ShapeBlock, you'll see an option here to import a new Kubernetes cluster into your account. So I'm assuming you already have your Kubernetes cluster created. So this has been tested with different Kubernetes providers. It works with your favorite cloud provider too, probably. It's been tested with AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and DigitalOcean. So for the purposes of this demo, I've already created a cluster in my DigitalOcean account. So I'll be using that. Once you've downloaded the kube config of your DigitalOcean account, what you do is you do a kubectl cluster info, which will spit out the Kubernetes control plane URL. You just copy that link. And then in your import cluster, just give it a nice name like demo cluster. And then you have to do one last step to import all the ShapeBlock components and operators into your cluster. So this will install the operator and then the custom resources in your cluster. That takes about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll look at a cluster which has already been imported. So if you go to home, there is already an imported cluster and one is in progress. Once you are inside a cluster, you should be able to create a project. A project is a glorified namespace where you can group multiple applications under a single logical unit. So you can go and create a new project like once you are inside a project, you should be able to create one or more applications inside your project. So it supports your favorite programming language and stack. You can pick what stack you want to create. And if you have your GitHub or GitLab account already integrated in ShapeBlock, you should be able to import your private repositories as well. Once you add all these details, you should be able to create a new application. Once you create a new application, it will show up like this inside your projects page. And you can see the previous deployments which have happened already. And you should be able to deploy other branches of your application or any code changes as well. So this is the URL for the application. ShapeBlock, by the way, gives you a TLS as well. And in the metrics tab, you should be able to look at the metrics and monitor the vitals of your application. And in your settings tab, you should be able to manage various configuration parameters of your application, like adding environment variables. We're adding new features as I speak. So please give it a try and let me know how it works for you. If you're stuck or having any questions and you need help, just click on the little widget, orange widget on the bottom right of the screen, and you should be able to reach out and chat with me. Hope you enjoy ShapeBlock. Thank you. Bye-bye.